Hi traders. Today I will discuss some important public sector banks which is owned by government. In any PSU banks, two types of accounts are important. One is current account and another one is savings account. If these two accounts ratio, that is CASA ratio, is good for any bank, then only we can say that bank deposits are in healthy condition. This CASA ratio is an indicator for the economical sources of funds available in that bank. If CASA ratio is higher for any bank, proving that we can access funds with low interest cost from that bank, or it will be easier to issue funds for that bank. So now, from higher to lower, which bank is having higher CASA ratio, we can look into once here. First one, Bank of Maharashtra. Market cap is 45,774 crores. Total deposits 2,70,747 crores. CASA ratio 52.7%. Central Bank of India. Market cap is 54,586 crores. Total deposits 3,85,011 crores. CASA ratio 50%. Indian Overseas Bank. Market cap is 1,21,297 crores. Total deposits 2,85,905 crores. CASA ratio 43.9%. Bank of India market cap is 56,430 crores. Total deposits 7,37,920 crores. CASA ratio 43.2%. Punjab National Bank market cap is 1,36,966 crores. Total deposits 13,69,713 crores. CASA ratio 41.4%. Bank of Baroda. Market cap is 1,45,212 crores. Total deposits 13,26,958 crores. CASA ratio 41.3%. State Bank of India. Market cap is 7,54,800 crores. Total deposits 49,16,077 crores. CASA ratio 41.1%. Indian Bank. Market cap is 72,981 crores. Total deposits are 6,88,000 crores. CASA ratio 40.8%. UCO Bank. Market cap is 65,854 crores. Total deposits 2,63,130 crores. CASA ratio 39.3%. Last one, Union Bank. Market cap is 1,07,275 crores. Total deposits 12,21,528 crores. CASA ratio 34.2%. In above mentioned banks, top two banks, Bank of Maharashtra and central banks, are raising funding 5,000 crores and 2,000 crores through QIP recently to reduce the promoter stake burden. When coming to technical charts, if you compare PSU bank index and private bank index during this FY24 April to June, private bank index is risen 11%, whereas PSU bank risen just 3% in 4 months. Present, it is in triangle consolidation. Whenever breaks that consolidation, our Quora Trade channel will remind you for the better entry in PSU banks. Until unless right now, prefer private banks over the PSU banks as per technical charts confirmation. So, these are the CASA ratio statistics in PSU banks. Thank you.